I was looking for some contemplative text in Indian philosophy. So I just found, I was reading, so I found that most of the Indian text or books that we are taught are not contemplative, but they are more of like they're telling about stuff.
Yeah.
Like, you know, this is the text talking about, or these were the ancient people and they were saying that. So it's most of it is commentary.
But there will be references, right?
References, and then those references are actually in, mostly books are in Sanskrit. You get English or Hindi translations. I didn't find good.
But then in the Western philosophy, contemplative life philosophy, who is dealing?
Oh, I have some of. I actually joined a group. This is some foreign philosopher, and I just saw online. I used to read about him in my masters. So one day I just googled him and I found that he has started a group and internationally. So
I'm asking who is the greatest author probably in the contemplative philosophy in the Western world?
Last I have read Maria Zambrano. She's a Spanish philosopher. Maria.
But the most well-known person.
Most well-known person.
Yeah, Tolstoy is supposed to be like that, no?
Tolstoy.
Tolstoy.
Yes. Yeah. I haven't read much of his work.
Not needed. Actually, you can see there is a beautiful documentary on Tolstoy.
Okay.
Or any of our Karma Yoga is supposed to be contemplative life philosophy.
Karma Yoga?
Yeah, that is Karma Yoga itself is contemplative life philosophy.
But Karma Yoga, I have to find text. I found only Gita talks about Karma Yoga. That I know.
See, the whole Brahma Vidya itself is Karma Yoga actually.
Brahma Vidya.
Yeah. Look at commentaries on Brahma Vidya.
I have found this Shiv Sutra. This was Shiv Sutra I read in my masters only. These were one that I found were contemplative.
Okay.
But my problem was that if I am sharing these with all the Westerners, they have problem because this has words like Chaitanya, Shuddha Vidya, and you know they find it little difficult to have such words.
No, but you can make a note and then decide to have a presentation, and if there are few people who wanted to discuss, we could meet together.
Okay, I am working on this.
Yeah. Make a small note, not very detailed, but somewhere, no?
On contemplative texts.
Yeah. Or you can look at the Karma Yoga in Hinduism, anything related to Karma Yoga in Hinduism, renunciation, all that will become part of.
Okay. There was this also that most of it is through stories. Like what I have read, because I have read through Shaktism. So when I read Markandeya Puran also and Devi Mahatmya, so those stories are somehow related to deeper meaning. Like the lines are not itself deeper meaning, but they talk through metaphor.
Yeah. That is, most of the Puranas are like that.
Yes. So, but I will look into it. I'll look into Shiv Sutra also. Actually, I take up so many things that one gets dropped and then...
That doesn't matter, but you should always have a link for what are you looking for, no? The ultimate path can be different. So, these must be under your reference scheme. But the spirit and the view has to be consolidate it and then written down. This is what I am looking for.
Yes. So I always look at something that stimulates me, makes me think.
Otherwise-
Either it's Western or Indian.
Yeah, that's how it should be.
But it creates a problem when I try to study for NET, because it bores me so much.
No, but
That-
that is why you should have maybe 2 hours you read this, 1 hour you prepare, or maybe two hours you prepare and then 1 hour you read this.
Okay, and I also saw your last video on when you were talking about, I think, to some students of philosophy only.
Yeah, she was doing
I
MA
saw it.
philosophy.
Yeah, I know her. Yes. So, I like that because when you talked about the women in philosophy, Geeta Gorakhpur Express.
I used to subscribe. They used to have. I used to subscribe it because they have special volumes. Upanishad volume, Vedanta volume, Woman volume, and Purana volume. Like that, they will make all these. And there are a lot of authors, Indian authors, who write. I think even Tulasidas there was a volume. Ramayana there was a volume. Mahabharata another volume. So that will become one book in which many aspects have been. I used to read those days.
Okay.
So even when I am talking this, Tulasidasa is a beautiful person to be read. Where he talks about the Sanchita Karma and all that, no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, your Sanchita Karma, Prarabdha Karma, all that will become part of journey.
Okay. So I also tried to contact them some time back, but I just did it on the mail and I tried to look
You
at on
just
their
telephone-
website. Some books are, I'm thinking that now after listening to you I remembered, because I had so many references from my professors in college time, and then afterwards I got into different things, so I forgot. And then after listening to you, I was so excited. I brought all those out, and then I was looking at them, but there are some on the website. All of them are not available.
No, you must
So I
only
thought that-
ask them and then talk to them, or then tell them to send no, they will send it.
Huh. Yeah, I was really interested in. There were like I
Or
have Markandeya Puran.
Any railway station bookshops.
Yeah,
That's where you will get.
but I think this time it's good
it's
to
not-
order, no? So I was looking at like they didn't have it, but I'll call them about Kalika Puran.
Yeah.
There is Kalika Puran. There are 8 Upanishads that are specific to Devi only. Like there was Sita, I don't know, Tripura Upanishad and everything. So I was thinking that I should ask about, and the book you also were talking about. So I'll call them and I ask about them.
Good.
Yeah. So I'll tell you if I'll find this contemplative,
Yeah.
but otherwise also if there's something I can talk about it.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Oh.
Thank you.